Welcome to Black Diesel Garage. I'm Gabe, and in this video, this will probably be a series of videos because it'll take a while, but we're gonna put an LS motor in this 1965 Chevrolet dually short panel truck. Pretty cool truck here. I yet don't know what all parts of this I will be filming and doing yet. I'll be doing some of it and a couple other people will be doing some of it. But this right here is a like yeast company or bread truck or something. From what we know about it, there was only 6 of these custom made to be a dually. It's the short panel truck, and it's like from Illinois, I think maybe. And looking up on the VIN, the owner said that he could only find to where there was 6 of these custom made as dualies. So as you can see, it's a 2-wheel drive, doesn't have the outside tires, but it is a custom dually. So pretty rare, pretty cool truck, not much rust. And I think there's new doors for almost all of it. Yeah, there's 2 rear doors. There's the front doors. Here's more dually rims from it. And for the most part, it's pretty clean. I don't know yet if this is gonna stay the way it is. The plans have changed quite a bit on it. I don't know if it's gonna stay the way it is body-wise or if the body's gonna get redone. I bought a grain truck. I do need to go pull the panels here off the grain truck to go on this thing. But for the most part, it's pretty straight. Got some damage down this side, but it has another door. It doesn't have a motor. We have an LS motor to stick in it. And what I'm at least gonna get done in this video is I'm gonna yank the door off, yank the hood, fenders, and front grille and everything off so that I think someone else is going to be sticking the LS motor in there with aftermarket mounts for the motor. And it's a whole new gauge cluster and wiring harness. So I don't know if I will be filming the process of that or not. I do know today in this video I will be pulling the hood, doors, fenders, grill, etc. And then at some point, if the other person's going to stick in that stuff and tune the motor, we'll be getting it back and reassembling it. And I do believe traffic. And then you got the rainbow turkey over there, Petey, if you hear him in the background, he's a rainbow turkey. But here's the interior of this van. I do believe maybe buckets, maybe bench, I don't know, but with the guy that owns it, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be either these redone or probably a nice done up bench seat with most of the stuff he's done. But it's a pretty good looking truck. It is automatic and it will be getting the LS automatic transmission, I'm pretty sure. And the odometer, there's a reading of the odometer. Pretty cool. Oh yeah, we'll also be getting a new tilt steering column. Pretty cool looking panel truck. Yeah, and it's empty in there. Without further ado, I'll put you guys on time lapse and I will get to tearing this thing apart. Well, got it all stripped apart. Got the door off of it. Here's just some random other trucks out here. There's the front end, bumper and hood. Old two-wheel drive Ford, another old Ford, and over here there's a few old trucks. This is more of the kind of stuff you'll see out here. Soon we'll have a lot of these old trucks on this channel because we're gonna start doing a lot more stuff here and with old vehicles. So there's an old International, old Ford, old Chevy, another old Chevy, another old Chevy. This guy who I do a lot of work with has a bunch of old trucks, so we'll show more of those and do some probably other builds on here too. But for now, we're working on the 65 panel truck. It's not a diesel, but it's cool enough to put on the channel. Well, here it is. Here's the LS motor. Came out of a Chevy Avalanche. I believe it's a 6.0 LS, and it's got the transmission on the back, two-wheel drive. This here, wiring, computer and everything, that's what's gonna go in the panel van. So, look forward to seeing that. It's not diesel content, it's a Chevy panel van with a gas motor, but I think it'll be a pretty sweet build. We're probably gonna end up painting it and making it look pretty slick, probably some Alcoa wheels on it. So, not what we normally do, but I hope you guys enjoy that. And remember, all the support is appreciated. All the likes, subscribes, and comments. And I really like hearing your guys' comments, so thank y'all. See you next time on Black Diesel Garage.